Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sandra. Welcome. And as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a Ulta quick unboxing. So I didn't even expect this package today, and I think I know what it is. I placed my order for Jeffree Star's makeup brushes and his palette. So I was super stoked when I saw this because sometimes I just can't bring myself to pay so much money for his palettes, which is really weird because I pay so much money for a bunch of makeup in general. So we're gonna unbox this today as I'm trying to get in here. So we got it open. So let's see, we got in here. Oh, I also purchased the Revolution Skincare London. This is a stabilized active collagen skin affirming solution. So I got this because, you know, as younger as I'm getting, you know, you need to, you know, take care of your skin and stuff. So I've been very into skincare a lot for the past few years, since I was in my 20s. And yeah, now I just can't stop. Like, I love having a bunch of night creams, day creams, serums, and stuff like that. So this one is for collagen, and I really like this. I think it was like $10. I'm not so sure. So I want to give this a try. And of course, as you saw, it packaging has like a frosted bottle, very simple, white, and it comes with a Doppler. So that's this. We got our sample baggie, which is just a bunch of skincare samples. We got our brushes, which I do not have the other Jeffree Star brushes because, to be honest, when I felt them in store, they just felt so cheap. And I mean, I love him. I love his stuff. I know a lot of people are kind of like about him, but his liquid lipsticks are amazing. I do have some of his highlighters. So I thought this is super cute. It comes with a little pouch. And then here are all the brushes. Ooh, these feel way heavier than the first ones. Let's see. So this is the first brush. This is the Morphe x Jeffree JS8. So this is the one that has a synthetic hair. And these ones feel a lot heavier than the first collab that I came out with. I really wish the first ones looked like this because they just look more, you know, cute and put together. The other ones look more like toy makeup brushes, like something you'll buy for your kids. So this is really nice and soft. We also have, I'm not gonna go through every single one. I'm pretty sure you guys seen this all over, you know, Instagram. This is the JS12. This is more of a smaller blending brush. This is the JS13. This is, I guess you can call it your pencil brush. Oh, I love me some brow brow brushes. So it has a spoolie on one side, and then my words are just so confused today. Eyebrow powder brush on the other side, which I thought it was gonna be a lot thinner, seriously, but it's not. It's a little thicker, unless it's just mine. I don't know, but he did claim that it was super thin. You have your flat shader brush, and this is the JS11. You have your, where's the paper for this one? Here it is. You have your JS 10, which is another flat shader brush. You have your eyeliner brush. This is your JS14. So just looks like that. And then these are the real hair ones because they're white hair. This is the JS9, which I'm gonna have to wash them because you can see they're kind of like a little bit bended. And it looks so funky.
Mom.
What, baby? Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
And then this is the Morphe Jeffree Star JS5. Yeah, see, 5. They're really soft. They feel really nice. And I did buy these in August because August is my birthday month, so I was just like, I want to make it worth my while, so to get double the points. And this is a JS6. I'm so sorry. You see that little munchkin in the background? Come on, Bree. Sit down right here. Okay, hold on. See right there?
Huh?
Say cheese. So last but not least, this is the grand finale. Ew, mine's like all dirty. Oh my gosh, I hope this is not broken. So, okay, so as you can see, it's all marked up. Here, it was smashed in the corner. And yeah, so it says Morphe times Jeffree Star. And then it has his awesome makeup look in the back. And it says, hi, how are ya? We all know I live for making a bold statement, especially with my makeup. The world needs color, and I'm serving it up by the pound. I'm so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette of velvety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you'll be hooked. So dive in and explore your creativity. Love and lipstick, Jeffree Star.
Hi, guys.
So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Oh my gosh, here she is. Oh, and I love that it kind of reminds me like of a Barbie palette, but we all know that's what, you know, Jeffree Star goes for. But I'm really glad. Oh, Brie, what are you doing? No, don't do that, Brie. So here's the front part, and I'm really glad that it's like not super matte the way the Jaclyn Hill palette was when it first came out. And then you have your glossy back. It's really heavy in weight. Oh my gosh, this is how it looks when you open it up. Dude, this is crazy. Oh my god. And they're freaking huge. Dude. I'm seriously like, oh, this is so cool. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? One noise. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. I love how it has like the little wand. Well, she's like, here's my brush. Go sit down. And then I love it. It has Lynn, 1985, Mogul, Self-Made, Dog Mom, Honest Truth, Designer label, Mr. Diva, Boss Angels, Pink Fleet, Calabasas, don't know her.
Hi, guys.
Roll with it, Millions, girl. What's the tea? Vroom vroom.
Boom.
Custom rims, Glen Rapids, Wake and Bake, Nate, Drive Through, Hi Dude, and Fast Lane. That is super cute. And look at the mirror. It's a really good mirror. It's not the ones that make you feel like you're in a fun house or makes it look all like wavy and gross. It's a really good mirror. I love this. Oh my god, this is so much cuter in person. Oh my god, what is she doing? Stop it. No. So yeah, this is it, guys. We're gonna do some swatches so you can. So I'm gonna insert the swatches or something because this is amazing. This is amazing. So let's start with the swatches. Let's see, what should we swatch first? We're gonna swatch Don't Know Her. And I know swatches and placing them on your eyes is a whole different story. But I do love to see swatches. Like I don't know, I have like this thing where I'm just like, oh my gosh, that just looks so nice when you drag it down. Just looks so good. So we have Don't Know Her. And then if you guys remember, Millions is a pressed glitter because it's very chunky. Drive-Thru is really cute. That one looks like a military green. Love me that color. Let's do a matte Calabasas. Ooh, Calabasas feels so smooth. Has a little bit of fallout when you're putting your finger in there. Let's do Fast Lane because everybody loves a good black. So we have those 4 on our fingers. Put them here. And that's what they look like. I didn't go up and down, nothing. You just saw straight. So all the excess that I had on my finger transferred onto Calabasas, so you're able to smooth it out. And then once you smooth it out and like pretty much blend it, this is the way it looks. It has like a really nice maroon color. And same thing with the black. So the black, and then we have the, what was it? Drive-Thru. Do the same with that one. That, and then Don't Know Her is a really pretty pink. So that's what they look, pretty much blended out on the finger. Yeah, so this palette was $35. That's what it retails for. But I know in Morphe you're able to use a discount code. I need a makeup wipe. Let me go get a makeup wipe. So if you pretty much don't want to, you know, only have 10% off, usually Ulta, that's why I got this, gives out like 20% coupons, or you can wait till, you know, you have some point. You can even use points to buy it. So that's really good. Oh my gosh, I don't want to get makeup on my pants. So that's really good. I think we should go ahead and get like a shadow, because I don't have no eyeshadow on right now, and just throw it all over the lid. Ooh, what's a tea? I like this one's a tea. It kind of has like this mustardy brownie tone to it. So we're just gonna take this Luxie Large Shader 205 and use the Ulta little color switch thingy. This is just by the Ulta brand one, and take off whatever's on there. Go in. Has a little bit of fallout, but that don't bother me. I don't know if it bothers you guys. And we're just gonna put it on our eyelids. We're just patting it and blending at the same time. Because I already have my face on. I just didn't really feel like putting eyeshadow on. I'm gonna go on with this one and just blend that out with whatever's on the brush. Ooh, cute. Quick and easy. Like my daughter say, yes, queen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Pat it on again. And then move it around. I love this color. Super nice. Take the other brush, just blend it out. Nobody likes harsh lines. So that is it. That's one shadow, quick look. So yeah, even Los Angeles is stinking cute. It's more like a burnt orange. That's nice. And 2, that's a really pretty color. Oh, we should put 2 in the inner corner of our eyes. Pencil brush. We're gonna take 2. And in the corner of our eyes to add a little pop. Ooh, cute. Okay, quick. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much today's video. I just wanted to show a little unboxing what I bought from Ulta and to show you, you know, my Jeffree Star palette, even though we've seen it everywhere, but this is not being paid obviously. And I know a lot of people have like their opinions about Morphe, but Jeffree really knows what he's doing, and I can't wait to use this palette more. Maybe I'll do another like a full eye makeup look with this. So yeah, just want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.